Hello my glass houses. So I'm putting on my tomato mask. Don't forget that, see, tomato. So I just made a wrap, and this is not going to waste. This is the head of the tomato that I cut off, and all I'm doing is using it because it's so gentle and soft. Look at that. You can come over the eyes, because remember, the eyes are one of those areas that shows aging. It's a giveaway, you know, like the back of the hands and the fingers. The eyes is the next place that shows their age. So I'm trying to define my age, because my husband in training, I must tell you, looks very youthful, very hot. So I can't be caught napping. I have to look hot myself. So the tomato mask definitely tightens those pores, let you look younger, because you know, big pores is one of those things that let us look aged. So the tomato mask will tighten the pores. So don't forget the neck, which is another giveaway. You know, do the neck, and we're gonna leave this on for like, say, 10 minutes, because it dries pretty quickly, and we're gonna rinse and we're good to go. Good. There you go. So go read a book, read a psalm, listen to some music, and just let this dry. Then you wash it off. I'm going to step in the shower right after this, and voila, you're going to have younger, firmer, tighter looking face in 10 minutes. Shalom.